We'll guide you through how to replace double click to confirm payment on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and for whatever reason you're wanting to go and replace a double click to confirm payment, we're going to guide you through the different ways this can be done, as it can be done differently depending upon what you're trying to use it for. So make sure it's this full guide. Perhaps you're trying to go and do it for the App Store or Apple Pay. We're going to guide you through both. So for example, if I come into the App Store right now, I then go and press get to the right, you'll go and see we get a pop-up and I need to go and confirm it with the side button to go and double click it. Or perhaps trying to go and do it for Apple Pay. So let's go and get started. So you need to come into the settings, not the App Store. So come in here. Now, if you're trying to go and replace it for the App Store, this is a bit easier than Apple Pay, but it is still possible for Apple Pay, so keep watching. So what we need to do is scroll down and you need to go and find the option for Face ID and passcode and tap there. Now enter in your passcode. When you go and do that, you're going to be brought here. So it's trying to go and make us double click because we need to go and use our Face ID to go and do it. So if we go and turn off iTunes and App Store for Face ID like this, now if we come back to the App Store and I then press get to the right of an app, you go and see that instead we can press install at the bottom and you can then go and enter in your password instead of double clicking. Now, if you wanted to do this for Apple Pay and Apple Wallet, open up your settings. You need to scroll down and find the option for accessibility. As you can see, there it is. You don't scroll down far. Then you need to go down and find touch, then find assistive touch, scroll all the way down and switch on confirm with assistive touch. We can use this for double click. So press continue, double click to confirm, enter in your passcode. Then it's been successful. I need to double click again to confirm it. With that switched on, you then go and switch on assistive touch at the top here as well. In custom actions for single tap, make sure it's set to open menu. Tap and hold to move this round, but to go and use Apple Pay, tap on it, tap device, then you want to press more and you can press pay. It will go and open up, and then to confirm it, press it again, press device, press more and press confirm with Apple Pay. You need to complete Face ID and now I can pay. That's it, you've replaced it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.